It's no secret that our next-gen Ethos systems are the perfect solution for residential ESS for every home in America. Our 48-volt LiPo4 Ethos is UL certified, CEC listed, and was designed to be easily installed indoors or outdoors thanks to its stackable modular design. Today, we'll explore how these systems were built to grow alongside you and effortlessly expand to fit your increasing energy needs. Here, we have our 15.3 kilowatt-hour Ethos configuration. This may have covered your initial energy needs, but there's always room for expansion. Perhaps you're looking to go beyond emergency backup power to a whole home ESS setup, or you're looking to add solar panels and need additional power storage to support your PV array. Our Ethos systems are completely modular, starting at 10 kilowatt hours, but with our expansion kits, you can get up to 600 kilowatt hours of capacity, enough to support even the most robust home or commercial power usage. Let's check out how you can install your additional Ethos modules quickly and easily. Click the link in the right-hand corner to review our 48-volt 15 kilowatt-hour Ethos installation. In this video, we'll be expanding from a 15 kilowatt-hour 3-stack to a 30 kilowatt-hour 6-stack configuration. If you're expanding upon an on-grid installation that requires 9548 compliance, make sure your additional battery stack is at least 12 inches away from your completed installation. One control box can control up to 16 battery modules. In this setup, we'll be installing an additional 3 battery modules. Connect the battery modules of your new stack with the parallel power and communication cables. Make sure to leave the top and bottom terminals open. Use the Ethos stack-to-stack cables to connect the new batteries to your existing system. Connect the bottommost positive and negative terminals to one another. Now do the same with the remaining ports on the control box and topmost module. Similarly, use the stack-to-stack communication cable to connect the bottommost communication ports to each other. Flip all the breakers and turn on each battery module using the power switch. Make sure to assign unique IDs to each battery module. For our standard configuration, we recommend assigning IDs 1, 2, and 3 from top to bottom, while beginning the expansion at 4, 5, 6, and so on. Refer to the user manual to view additional ID configurations. Lastly, snap on all the side panels and organize your cables. Now we've successfully expanded our Ethos system from 15 kilowatt hours to 30 kilowatt hours. And it's that easy. Using this modular installation process, you can expand your Ethos system to afford yourself as much capacity as you need. But don't take our word for it. Check out this awesome off-grid setup from one of our satisfied big battery customers.
I understand the rule that a happy customer tells one person, but an unhappy customer tells 100 people. Boy, was I wrong in being reserved, as the whole process could not have been better. I ended up ordering 6 battery modules, 2 controllers, and a hybrid inverter from them. Their pricing was actually lower than the competitor that I was considering. Installation of the Ethos battery modules and controller could not have been easier, as they are truly plug and play. After the initial installation, I decided to add 6 more battery modules. It was literally just plug them in and set the battery IDs, and the controller automatically added them to the battery totals. The 12 battery modules that I installed impressed me so much that I decided to go ahead and max out my system at 16 modules. With 90 solar panels, I know that I am pushing the batteries to their maximum at times, but there have been absolutely no issues whatsoever.
Whether you're looking to ensure emergency backup power is at the ready, or you're looking to outfit your home with a powerful solar system, the Ethos ensures efficient, reliable power delivery day in and day out, allowing you to save on utilities or get rewarded through giving back to the grid through net metering programs or other tax incentives. Take control of your home's power and check out the 48-volt Ethos and Ethos expansion kits at the link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content.